Hello students of class 10th. Today I will teach you exercise 3.6 from question number 1st to 6th part and further questions. In previous video you have seen the question number 1, the part 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now in this video you have to see the another parts 6, 7 and 8. The question number 6 is given as 6x plus 3y equal to 6xy, and then we divide from xy to both sides, then we get 6x upon xy plus 3y upon xy equal to 6xy upon xy. Now we have 6y plus 3x, 6 upon y plus 3 upon x equal to 6. Then taking common as 3 and dividing by 3 to right hand side, we have 2 upon y plus 1 upon x equal to 6 upon 3, means 2 upon y plus 1 upon x equal to 2. This is equation number 1. Now second equation is given as 2x plus 4y equal to 5xy. Then we divide both sides from xy, then we get 2x upon xy plus 5y upon xy equal to 4y upon xy equal to 5xy upon xy. Now we have 2 upon y plus 4 upon x equal to 5. This is equation number 2. Now we let 1 upon y equal to a and 1 upon x equal to b. Then we have 2a plus b equal to 2. This is equation number 3, and 2a plus 4b equal to 5. This is equation number 4. Here we see that the coefficient of 2 is same and the sign of a is also same. So by subtracting we get the a is eliminated. So by subtracting we change the rule sign, then we get minus 3b equal to minus 3, then b equal to minus 3 upon minus 3, then b equal to 1. Now putting the value of b in equation 3, we have 2a plus 1 equal to 2, then 2a equal to 2 minus 1, then 2a equal to 1, then a equal to 1 upon 2. Now we have to find the values of x and y. So 1 upon y equal to a means 1 upon 2. Then by cross multiplication y equal to 2, and 1 upon x equal to a means 1 upon 1. Then x by cross multiplication x equal to 1. These are the values of x and y. So in next question we have question number 6. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में दिया है 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y equal to 4. This is equation 1. And 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y equal to minus 2. This is equation number 2. Now let 1 upon x plus y equal to a and 1 upon x minus y equal to b. Then 10a plus 2b equal to 4. This is equation number 3. And 15a minus 5b equal to minus 2. Equation number 4. Here we see that no any coefficients are same, so equation 3 multiplied by 5 and equation 4 multiplied by 2, we get 50a plus 10b equal to 20 and 30a minus 10b equal to minus 4. Then by adding we have 80a equal to 16, then a equal to 16 upon 80, then a equal to 1 upon 5. Now putting the value of a, putting the value of a in equation 3, then we have 10a means 10 into 1 upon 5 plus 2b equal to 4, then 2b equal to 4 minus 2, then 2b equal to 2, then b equal to 2 upon 2 means 1. Now we have 1 upon x plus y equal to 1 upon a means 1 upon 5. Then by cross multiplication x plus y equal to 5. This is equation number 5. And 1 upon x minus y equal to b means 1 means x minus y equal to 1. This is equation number 6. From equation number 5 and 6, x plus y equal to 5 and x minus y equal to 1. Then by adding we have 2x equal to 6, then x equal to 6 upon 2 equal to 3. Now putting the value of x, putting the value of x in equation 5 or 6, in equation 5, then 3 plus y equal to 5, then y equal to 5 minus 3, then y equal to 2. Now we get y equal to 2 and x equal to 3. This is answer of this question. So we have to solve question number 8. In question number 8, we find the value of x and y, which is same as question number 7. Question number 8 is given as one upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y equal to 3 upon 4 and 1/2 3x plus y minus 1/2 3x minus y equal to minus 1/8. This is equation number 2. Now let 1/3x plus y equal to a and 1/3x minus y equal to b. Then from equation 1 a plus b equal to 3/4 and this is equation 3 and a/2 plus b/2 equal to minus 1/8 means a plus b/2 equal to minus 1/8 means a plus b equal to minus 1/4. This is equation number 4. Now from equation 3 and 4, from equation 3 and 4 we have a plus b equal to 3/4 and a minus b equal to a minus b equal to minus 1/4. Then by adding we have 2a equal to 2/4. Then a equal to 1/4. Putting the value of a in equation 3, then we have 1/4 plus b equal to 3/4. Then b equal to 3/4 minus 1/4, b equal to 2/4 means 1/2. Now we have Now we have 1/3x plus y equal to a. A means 1/4. Then 3x plus y equal to 4. This is equation 5. And 1/3x minus y equal to b. B means 1/2. Then 3x minus y equal to 2. This is equation 6. From equation 5 and 6 we have 3x plus y equal to 4 and 3x minus y equal to 2. Then by adding 6x equal to 6, then x equal to 6/6, then x equal to 1. Now putting the value of x in equation 5, putting the value of x in equation 5, then we have 3 plus y equal to 4, then y equal to 4 minus 3, then y equal to 1. This is answer of your question. X equal to 1 and y equal to 1. So the question number 1 of exercise 3.6, by reducing method to solve the equations, first question is finished. Now second question is word problem.